This is Remy Storm Spotter at your newest live. It is currently 39 degrees outside, high of 64 and a low of 53 in the evening. It's gonna be sunny to cloudy later, and in the evening we're gonna have some light rain. And it's starting to get colder. Winter is just around the corner, by the way. Halloween is up, so if you're a kid watching these videos, which it is made for kids, you should get a costume ready, but make sure to wear something on the inside so you don't get too cold or maybe even frostbite. Now remember, weather never sleeps.